But before coming to that motivation, a student of quantum mechanics should know why the need for Schrodinger wave equation was felt. To this end, I would like to begin from the old quantum theory, which started from black body radiation, witnessed the phenomena of photoelectric effect, Compton effect, pair production, Bohr theory of atomic model, and the de Broglie hypothesis. These phenomena had established the notion of wave-particle duality. However, every of these phenomena was explained on the basis of some special and almost unique assumptions. That is, there was no fundamental theory or equation like the Newton's equation for mechanics of particles and Maxwell equation for electromagnetic to provide a compact form for explanation of these phenomena. Therefore, the notion of wave-particle duality was compelling the physicists of the early 19th century to develop a fundamental theory or equation that would accurately describe the well-established dual nature of matter and radiation.